I was today years old when I learned that the famous rhyme about trees predicting the weather is a total myth. But there's a different tree that actually can. You know that old saying, oak before ash will have only a splash. Ash before oak, we're in for a soak. The idea is that whichever tree gets its leaves first predicts the summer's rain. But here's the thing, it doesn't work. An oak's leaves are triggered by temperature, while an ash is triggered by daylight. There's zero scientific evidence connecting a warm spring to a dry summer. But here's the part that blew my mind. If you want a real natural forecaster, look at a pine cone.
They open their scales in dry weather to release seeds. But when the air gets humid and rain is on the way, they close up tight to protect them. So the oak and ash rhyme is just a myth, but a closed pine cone is nature's original weather alert.